How to share screen with Google AI Studio. So in this video, we will discuss how you can share your screen with the Google AI in order to use it to your studio. So first thing that you need to do is to head over to Google AI Studio. You can do so by going to their website, which is aistudio.google.com. Now you should be able to see this. So you can actually stream. Click onto the stream option right here. And then in here, just click onto the share screen option. Once you have clicked on it, you can decide right here which one you want to actually share screen. So for example, on this one, let's head over and then choose in here this new tab of Google to share screen. Click onto the share and you will be redirected to the particular tab. So for example, right here, let's head over and then search for something. Once you actually heard something, that means that you have already connected to the share screen. So let's search in here circle. Now it should be able to be detected by the Google AI Studio. Now if you want to head back, head over right here to there and make sure as well that your microphones as well as your website or your video recorder option is allowed. So click on this allow this time or allow, and as you can see microphone is in use and you can refresh this in order to share your stream, and then this will be connected to the server. As you can see, stream is now live. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.